Fundamental analysis is a method of evaluating the value of a stock by examining its underlying financial and economic factors. This analysis takes into account various financial metrics such as revenue, earnings, assets, liabilities, and cash flow to determine the intrinsic value of a stock. Fundamental analysts also examine macroeconomic factors such as interest rates, inflation, and government policies to gauge the overall health of the economy and its impact on the stock market. In addition, they analyze industry trends, competitors, and market share to assess the company's competitive position. By analyzing these factors, fundamental analysts try to determine whether a stock is overvalued or undervalued compared to its intrinsic value. If the intrinsic value is higher than the current market price, the stock is considered undervalued and could be a good investment opportunity. Conversely, if the intrinsic value is lower than the market price, the stock is considered overvalued and may not be a good investment opportunity. Fundamental analysis is often used by long-term investors who seek to identify stocks with strong fundamentals that will perform well over time. It can also be used by traders to identify short-term trading opportunities based on changes in the underlying fundamentals of a company or the broader economy. However, it is important to note that fundamental analysis alone does not provide a complete picture of a stock's potential performance, as market sentiment and other factors can also impact stock prices.